I got a quick video to do. I got a previous mail call from the Scotsman, the Crazy Scotsman. His actual wooden little plaque with his name on it. I customized it, took the other magnet off because the other magnet was kind of weak. So stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Hey everybody. Where did I put that magnet at? Oh, right there. Alright, so the Crazy Scotsman sent me a mail package. And in amongst all the stickers, there was this little wooden plaque with the Crazy Scotsman on it. And it came with this really weak magnet on it. So what I did is I had a bunch of these little itty bitty magnets that I got for free for testing, and you can see that this magnet's pretty weak. Like, it barely holds on. So what I did is Chinese company sent me a pack of like 150 of these little magnets for free for testing for a cheap little review, and I took some, which I actually like this more than Gorilla Glue. It's called Rapid Fuse, DAP, Rapid Fuse. This stuff works pretty great. I use this, a little dab for each magnet. I cleaned up the wood where I took the other magnet off to get rid of the glue. I took some sandpaper and roughed it up and got rid of the glue that was there. And I put one in each corner, plus 3 in the center. Now, listen to the magnets now. And you gotta pull a lot of force, probably like 4 or 5 pounds, maybe 10, 15 pounds of pull force to get them off. And these, the actual, there's no polarity. The north and south polarity is on the outside. So you can basically magnet it both directions if you wanted to. And these little magnets are powerful enough to actually stick it through the wood. But I don't want the magnets to be shown. So you're right next to Justin ATV and JK Canvas and Hard Knocks Forge. And then just a little update. These are the stickers that you sent me, Scotsman, if you see this video. So I posted these 2 stickers here. One right there next to Wyatt Able 1. And your Scotsman stickers over here next to Doug Sweener. And then the other sticker you sent me, the foreign domestic, I put it on the orange cart because I thought they would look good with the orange. Makes the foreign and domestic stand out. But just a little update, a little modification to something I got in the mail. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.